Hi guys, today is Tuesday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so another cloudy, dreary day here in Atlanta. So I decided to take today to share with you guys my little master bedroom cleanup. Don't believe I have one of these here on the channel. So today's the perfect day for that because on last night, Eric and I sat in our bedroom and opened up some of my little birthday packages. So as you can see, I need to get rid of all of those bags and boxes. Also need to do a little bit of dusting. I'm going to change the linens out on the bed. And oh yeah, my plants need to be watered also. So go ahead, sit back, enjoy today's video. I will not be doing a whole lot of talking here in this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it.